guys, it's Spacey and welcome to Unboxing Plushies. So as you can tell from the title, these are Piofiore plushies. They are from an Otome game, Piofiore. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's probably not going to interest you, but if you just like watching people unbox things, then hey, cool. Anyway, I had to get these through a proxy service because they were released in Japan. Obviously, from Stellaworth, which is a shopping site which has a lot of, well, it has a lot of Otome merch. I don't know if it's got other anime merch. It does have other anime merch and stuff like that, but it's actually a big site for going to finding Otome merch that is newly released in Japan. I feel like it's extremely hard to navigate, but that's just me. But anyway, because they don't ship internationally, you have to use a proxy shipping service. I used White Rabbit. So I just overview of that. You basically go in, you give them the links to the page for the item that you want. You tell them the price, you know, in yen, you tell them that. I think it's been months. I did this back in February, so it's been a long time. And then, you know, you basically put in, they calculate the price, the shipping from the local store to them, you know, you okay the price, you pay, and then they will go through and procure your order. So they'll basically order for you. So these ones were pre-orders, so it's not like they were getting anything, but you can also use White Rabbit to shop from multiple different stores. So you can buy from this store, this store, this store, and then you can tell them, I just want you to consolidate it. So they get all your items, and once it's all in, you can then basically just check out whenever you're ready. So they'll tell you when it's in stock. I didn't get an email, honestly, when these came in, so I might have deleted it by accident, or maybe they just assume you check. I don't know. But it's probably maybe because you can order from multiple different shops and then wait. So these, of course, were pre-ordered. When they finally released, they get them. You have to go in and then you can say, I want these shipped to me, and then you pay the shipping price. So you pay shipping after the fact. I swear I paid shipping and prices up front, but it must have just been shipping from Stellaworth to them. I don't really quite remember. And there's obviously fees. There's a store fee and an item fee. So those are all listed kind of up front. There's a bunch of other proxy shipping services. I just use White Rabbit because I know other people that had used it and people recommended it. And I was like, I'm going with the safer option. Some other ones might be less expensive. You can also, sometimes people will do group buys, whatever. Or you just wait until it's on, you know, Goods Republic or eBay or somewhere else. And then you take the risk that you're never going to find it. But anyway, so these are plushies from the Otome game Piofiore. The thing is, if you're here for these plushies and you're here for Gil or for Orlok, I didn't get them. Or for Liliana. I didn't get her either. I was never going to get the MC. That was never going to be an option for me. I only want my boys. But I didn't have, because there are 7 of them, I was like, I could buy, well, I wasn't going to buy the main character. I was only going to buy our pretty Otome boys, right? I was like, I could buy them all. That was a lot, because I can't quite remember how much these cost me, to be dead honest with you. On the thing, it tells you they have their value, the declared value in yen, but that's $25.30. But I know for a fact they were far more than $25. So I'm pretty freaking sure, because I'm pretty sure they cost me almost 100 and some odd. Well, they would have been $30 to $40 each, something like that. Because this says the declared value is basically like a little over $100. But then again, you had to pay the item fee and stuff like that. So maybe, I don't quite remember. Anyway, oh yeah, actually no, each one here. Yep, okay, here you go. Each one was about $25. All right. Plus, you have to pay like an item fee and a store fee. And I think it's an item per store fee. I think you end up paying like $1 per item and then you paying $1 per item per store. I don't remember, it was weird. But so They were probably, like, say about $30 plus shipping each, whatever, because I ended up having to pay like $20 for shipping. But once they shipped it, it got here fast. So, all I'm saying. So, they have their little, like, picked pack and their little White Rabbit Express. And then they have, like, all their information on the back. So, check them out if you're interested in finding goods from Japan. And they will, I think, shop anywhere. You know what I mean? You, like I said, you go in and you're like, I want to place an order. It's fairly straightforward and easy. You provide them the link to the item in the store. So as long as you can navigate the stores page. And one of the items I did want, I was like, it's probably not in stock because it didn't look like it was in stock on Stellaworth. It was something totally different. It was an acrylic stand for Piofiore. And they came back and they're like, we don't have it. So they refunded my money. So, you know, easy enough. So now, okay, again, I didn't get Gil and I didn't get Orlok. I'm sorry, but when you're spending like over $100, I know, and then it's like an extra $50 more, but like, I limited myself. So we got our best boys. We got Dante, we got Nicola, we got Yang, and I'm sorry, spoilers, I got fucking the Phantom of the Casino, although he's just Henry now, but I love my Phantom of the Casino, okay? Like, let's not even talk about it. And, okay, I've already seen someone make a comment, so I already was expecting this, that they're smaller than expected, because, like, hello. I just want to point out my Grell plushie. Pretty fucking big, although he was a lot more than $25 fucking dollars. I'm pretty sure they were exorbitantly priced. That's why I didn't get all of them. So these ones are kind of small. Packaging is loud. They are actually really small. So here's Henry, i.e. the Phantom of the Casino, but he's not wearing his Phantom gear. But they are. They're little tiny with big heads. But they're cute. And you know what? Honestly, if they were more expensive, I'd be like, hi. But yeah, no, hi. Look, you can sit there. Who doesn't need... I'm just saying. You should see my... Like, I have them on shelves freaking everywhere, so... They package these really fucking good. They didn't want you to get in. And we have our lovely Nicola, whose hat is mushed. That's okay, that's my disappointment. We'll have to fix his hat. So there you go. Oh, look. I didn't even realize that. Hello. Fucking adorable. And a bunch of information I can't read at this moment. Well, there you go. I do feel like Henry could have been a little bit better. And the art, if I can find because these, when they sold them, they only had like this is kind of what they're going to look like. It was sketch. You couldn't see a picture. It wasn't like, here's the picture. It was, here's a rough sketch of what we think they're going to look like. And I do feel like the rest of them kind of look alike, but I feel like, I'm going to try to put the picture in here. That Henry doesn't look exactly like I was expecting. And I was like, oh, yeah. I feel like I like the sketch better than the way he turned out, but the rest of them seem pretty spot on, and I'm not disappointed. I'm a little disappointed with Henry, not gonna lie. Kiki, our little Dante. Look at his little suit. And this is how they hang them in stores. I think somebody actually, like, posted a picture on Reddit that they went, I don't know, to a store somewhere, and like all of Dante was gone. Dante was sold out. So that's why we pre-ordered him. Everybody else was there, but he wasn't. And of course, the trash husband we all love, and, well, we don't hate him at all. He's so fucking cute. He's got a thread on him. Oh my god. He just looks like he's gonna fuck your shit up. There you go. So, like, yeah. Did I need these? No. Was I gonna buy them anyway? Fuck yeah. I mean, Jesus Christ. They're cute. I don't know if you guys even want to watch me open plushies or whatever, if you care. I mean, I've done anime merch before, and I've gotten some sends and I haven't done anything, but, you know. Here we go. There's all of our anime boys. There's all of the only ones we bought. And maybe someday we'll get Orlok and Gil. That would have been better, you know, to like get them all and then do this. But I bought them back in February. We hadn't really bought the channel back then, and I don't know if I was thinking about it then. And I certainly wasn't thinking, oh, I'll get them and unbox them, but I just did Owl Crate. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same damn outfit, if you watch everything, or you watch unboxings and you watched Owl Crate and you're wondering why the hell are you wearing the same clothes? Because I didn't bother changing. And I was like, I could wait, or I could just do it all together, so this will probably go up God knows when. You know, but there you go. Those are our fun little plushies. This, can I just be honest? Like, okay, that's a little weird, but like, this is like the softest fucking like velour-y kind of shit. Like, all of them, their hair is nice. You just want to pet them. Good yang. He's gonna stab me when I sleep. I'm just telling you. Like, anyway. So yeah, that's that. So, shortest video ever, but we really don't have much to go through. I told you a little bit about White Rabbit. I would check them out if you're interested in buying, like, stuff from Japan that you can't get otherwise. It's definitely cheaper because I'll be honest, if you think about it, the fees and the shipping and everything that you pay in the long run, I think it ended up being, well, yeah, maybe $140 total after the shipping to them and the fees, and I don't know if I paid taxes. I probably did, to be honest with you, because somehow my state knows how to charge tax on everything. And then the $20 shipping fee when they were ready to ship it. So that's what you got to think of, but it got here within a couple of days. It really did not take that long once they dispatched it. And for the convenience of it, if you think about it, if you go do that, you can go on eBay and probably find some of these things, but they're not going to cost you $25. You're probably going to be paying like, there's the thing for $60 or something fucking ridiculous. So, and you never know if you're going to be able to find it. At least this way, you know you can get it. You're getting it from a reliable source. Again, I've only done White Rabbit once, but I had a great experience. You know what I mean? You can always go into your account and check where your order is, and they'll say it's processing, they're waiting on stuff, you know what I mean? So, and when something was out of stock, they sent me a message right away. They sent me a message through my account on the site. So if I was on the site, I would have seen it. It came right through to my email, so I could reply back and let them know, no, that's fine, you can cancel it or whatever. You know, and they even asked, we can't get this item, do you want us to cancel just this one item? Do you want everything else? And I was, so you could be like, no, if I can't get that, I don't want anything. And I was like, fuck yeah, I want my other shit. So, you know, so it's great. I don't know. And I don't know what other, you know, proxy sites are like, but I had a good experience with them. I guess it's only one experience, but I'm sure other people have. And he's even got his tattoos on his hands. Can I just say that's like the attention to detail, you know? They're little, but they're cute as fuck. They're so cute. Look at how fat his face is. He's gonna shoot me. His head looks really skinny though. He's got a skinny head. Anyway, I will see you guys around in other things. I hope you enjoyed however fast and short this video was, but yeah, anyway, toodles! That, like, sounded so terrible. Toodles! Anyway, toodles. Why? Why do I do these things? Why? Just... Are you okay? Okay. He's even got his earrings and his watch, and I was like, what the hell are those? Those are his rings. I'm going to notice a million more details on the rest of them after I look through, but like, still, I'm impressed by that.